Tension as police station is set ablaze over EndSARS protest. Violence continued to erupt in Ogbomoso City, Oyo State, on Sunday as the EndSARS protest continued after the killing of Jimoh Isiaka. You would recall that the EndSARS protest held on Saturday in Ogbomoso had turned bloody, leaving Jimoh dead and several others injured. There were sporadic gunshots into the air as protesters and residents scampered for safety. No casualty was reported as at the time of filling these reports. Thank you for listening to this news. You can imagine gunshots as police station is set ablaze. When would it be set ablaze? See, someone said something today, and I think it actually trended online. He said that if the federal government refuse to say anything concerning this EndSARS issue, if the federal government chooses to keep quiet concerning this issue of EndSARS, that it's going to lead to a revolution. And I never misquoted the person. I never doubted the person. I believed the person. And it's true. Do you know why it's true? Because the issue of EndSARS is now everywhere in the whole world. It's no longer a national thing, but it's now a world thing. The whole world is now concerned. In the whole world, this issue of EndSARS is now the major trend. Go to US, Israel, Japan, everywhere. Even some people started disguising themselves. Some people started using themselves as an example. There is a music star, a young music star from abroad that used to be on dreadlock. The guy had to cut off his head, cut off his dreadlock to give us a true picture of himself, letting us know that for the fact that he is on dreadlock doesn't mean that he is a criminal. What he's trying to tell us? He's trying to tell us that the SARS that we seek as security operatives are always on dreadlock. And for the fact that they are always on dreadlock doesn't mean that they are criminals that we take them to be. But have you asked yourself that question? Why will a security operative be on dreadlock? You understand? Why would they be on dreadlock? What message are they trying to pass to the citizens? Are they passing the message that everyone should have the look of a thug? Yes. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You understand? So this issue of SARS is now a world thing. It's no longer a nation thing. It's a world thing. It's a thing that concerns the whole world. It's a thing that concerns the whole world and not a national thing. You understand? So whatever anyone is saying concerning this EndSARS issue should be something that should be visible. Unlike Kemi Olunloyo saying what she doesn't know, what is not, that he will not join the EndSARS protest because the SARS officials are seen to be are seen to be people that are that has been helping to secure and protect the problems of this country. That the SARS officials has been the one helping to chase the criminals we have in this country. That if they take the SARS away, that these criminals will increase, and the criminals are agitating for the scrapping of SARS so that they can be able to penetrate the country very well. Look at the statement. So it will definitely lead to a revolution. A situation by all the country in the whole world are against a security force. What is expected is not to scrap them off, it's not to close them up. You don't even need to think about it. US is against it, Japan is against it, London is against it, Argentina, all the African countries and European countries, the advanced countries, they are all against them. That is to say that these atrocities they have been committing is not just now. And as they are committing it, the world are taking record of it. The world are watching them. And they are committing these atrocities. You understand? So, my viewers, these SARS operatives should be totally closed up. You understand? They should be closed up. So please, my viewers, I don't really know what your own opinion concerning all that have just been said may be. But one thing I will really appreciate from you is a true talk. One thing I really appreciate from you is a confirmation of what these SARS operatives has been to you as a person. Have they been of good to you? How have they affected you security-wise? As for me, they haven't been any good to me at all. You understand? So that is just a fact, my viewers. So please, do well to leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.